and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I maintain my flat twist outs and get at least 5 days worth of wear out of them. So this is obviously day 1 and I'm just taking out my flat twist out. Yesterday was wash day. So I put my flat twists in, slept in them overnight. I completely air dried. So I'm taking them out and I'm just going to separate and fluff these twists. And when I'm all done, it's gonna look like this. All right, I think I told you I was going to separate and fluff. I didn't do any fluffing. All I did do though was use the pads of my fingertips and did my scalp like this. And that's because I have fine hair, so sometimes my parts can show when I take my twist out down, and I don't want that. So that just kind of helps me camouflage the parting spaces. But yeah, this is it. I have a full life just like you do, I'm sure. And I like to do my hair and maintain it so that I can get a full week's wear out of that hairstyle, or at least 5 days. We're going for 5 days. And shampooing my hair once a week, which is what I currently do, that's all I can commit to. That said, I need to make sure my style can get me through those 5 days at least. All right, good morning guys. It is the morning of day 2. And just take my hair down. So I'm hoping today, it's just been, hasn't even been 24 hours yet. And I just shake my hair out. It's still fresh, so it should really just fall into place. I don't use a comb or anything. And here we are. All right, so here's day 2. Hair's intact. All good. And I'll see you again tonight when I put it back up in the puff. Hey friends, it is the night of day 2, and actually I'll show you my calendar. It is Monday, September the 12th, and it's 11:53 p.m. so you'd hurry up and get this in and go to bed. But so my hair still looks really good, but I got caught in some rain today. I went to Kohl's on my break, my work break, and to make some Amazon returns. Came out and it was a rainstorm. Not a rainstorm, but big fat drops of rain, and I had no umbrella. So this is what I have. It's not bad. It's not really bad, but it was not like this morning. Look, let me see. Yeah, so see, that's not gonna work. It is way too frizzy. The rest of my hair looks pretty good though. All of it got wet. All of it, the rain hit all of it. It's not like it was wet, but the rain hit all of it. But I still think I have a really good bit of definition in the back. So I normally don't retwist my hair at all for my twist outs, but when I do a twist out, but I can't go for the rest of the week with this right here. Look, that just won't work. So I think what I'll do is re-twist these 2. This looks good. This was one twist, flat twist right here. I think I'll leave this one alone. But these 2 that were in the front, I'm going to retwist these so that I won't have to go these remaining 3 days with this frizz. All right, so I put a little bit of water on my twists just to kind of reactivate the product that I had in there. And they are all twisted up. All right. And I'm gonna put my hair up for the night. Bonnet. All right, see you on day 3. Day 3, morning time, and I am already sweating. And I hope I just didn't sweat in my head. Let's see what we got going on here. And I hope my 2 little twists are dry that I did last night. All right, here we go. Still looking good. Nice. All right, yeah. That's my little twist. They're a little damp, and look how shiny they are still. All right. I'm gonna take these down. I really like that. For me, flat twist outs are really low maintenance. So it just kind of works out that I've gotten to be pretty good at doing them. And they just last, they work for me. They work for me and my lifestyle, and easy, and I don't have to do much. So if you've never tried a twist out, thinking it's a lot of work, it's really not. It's really, really not. Here we go. This is day 3. So I also don't even I never do anything to my edges except brush them. So, okay, so yeah, I probably won't do anything to them now either. But yeah, this is day 3. And my hair hasn't gotten a lot fluffier than day 1. Maybe just a little bit. All right, back. I always fluff in the back for sure, because with my hair is really fine and a lot thinner back there. So it's at night when I put my bonnet on, it just kind of gets smushed. So I always fluff the back out. All right, I feel good. Looking good. Day 3 hair. It's day 4 and I am heading out the door. Same old as yesterday and the day before. My hair is still looking good. I am going to put a little bit of gel on my edges, or on this side rather. Just a little bit of gel to smooth. And that's it. I think we're looking good everywhere else. I don't need to do anything else to it. So if I haven't said it before, for me, the twist out can be a very low maintenance style. I mean, as you can see, I'm rocking day 4 hair and everything looks good. I hope the back looks good. I haven't even looked at it. But yeah, this is it. I want you to see definition is still there. I feel good when my hair looks good. When I think my hair looks good, it really kind of sets the tone for everything else. And hair looks and beauty and all of that, it's not everything, but it does make me feel like, okay, my hair is together. I can really kind of pull everything else together and make it work. All right, that's it for the day, for day 4. Hey guys, it is the night of day 4, and I think my hair still looks pretty darn good. I do have a bit, it's a little bit more frizzy than it was on days 2 and 3. And like right here, but this is the section that got wet. But even it's still holding on. But like in my crown area, I still have tons of definition. And this is with it, me getting caught in a little bit of rain like 2 days ago. But I think it still looks really good. I'll turn around so you can see it. So overall, I think it looks great. And I want to say too, I don't always get this type of amazing flat twist out when I do one. It has a lot to do with the products that I used to get it. So I did feel like my scalp is getting, it acts like it wants to start getting itchy. So I greased my scalp, which I do. I used, I had Blue Magic, so I just used some grease, and I brought it in here with me. Here's the grease that I used. I didn't put it, you know, all over my head, but just in those spots that maybe where my hair typically itches, which is right here on the sides, in the crown, and at the very nape of my neck. So I just put some grease in those areas. And to bring back a little bit of shine in my hair, I use dry oil spray. And this is by OGX. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. It smells really good, and it really is a weightless dry oil. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all. And if you've ever used it, you know how good it is. And I only have a little bit left, so I'm gonna need to buy some more soon. But yeah, this just kind of revives my hair and not make it look as dry. And sometimes my hair looks a little bit drier than it might actually be too, because of the color of it. It's kind of like it's brown, but like a dark sandy brown. And sometimes it just looks really dry. I use this on my straight hair too when it's flat ironed. And I'm excited because it is fall. Well, it's not fall yet, but we're approaching fall, and I will definitely be doing some flat ironing really soon. But yeah, so that's all I've done to my hair. That's the extent of the maintenance that I've done. And you know what comes next. I'm just going to pull it up. That dry oil smells so good, almost like a cologne, like a men's cologne, but not quite as strong. All right, so this is it. I didn't bring my bonnet in here, but this is it. I'm gonna put my bonnet on and get ready to go to bed. All right, well, good morning. Well, it's morning for me. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. But we have made it to another day with this flat twist out. And guess what? It is actually day 6. Today should have been day 5, but yesterday I just, the day got away from me. And if I don't do this first thing in the morning and show you how my hair is looking for the day, I may not. I didn't get to it. The day was half gone when I realized I hadn't given an update. But I don't know if you can see this, but it is Friday, September the 16th. So it is day 6. So I did notice yesterday on day 5, my hair was getting dry. And actually it was getting dry, I think the night of day 4, because that's why I used some of my dry oil spray. But yesterday, to me, it was visibly a lot drier than the previous days. But all in all, I could still rock this for another couple of days. Let me just kind of get up closer. So look, definition is still there. I mean, like, it's not going anywhere. I don't know what the back is looking like because I haven't seen the back yet, but, ooh, and I could get another couple of days from another day, at least one more day, but my scalp is starting to itch. So for me, I know it's best that I go ahead and shampoo because I'll start itching and then I'll end up irritating my scalp. But yeah, definition is still there. And I'm just, for me, this is, flat twist outs are just really like a low maintenance style. And I might have said this already in days prior in this same video, but very low maintenance. And I'll say too, my flat twist outs don't always look this good on day 6. if I make it to day 6. They don't always, but the product has a lot to do with how long the hairstyle lasts. And actually, as a matter of fact, if you want to see what I used to get this flat twist out, I will put a little card up in the corner of the screen right now, and also I'll link the video the same video in the description box. So yeah, that's it. This is day 6 of a flat twist out, and I'll give you a clue. I only use one product to get this twist out. One product, and you just might really be surprised. So this is it, day 6 hair. Oh, and I will go ahead and put a little gel on it. Just to kind of, and I don't even really need to, but, and I'm a behind the ear tucker. I just like that. So behind the ear, that's it. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this week in my hair, the week in my flat twist out, and I really do hope to see you next time. If there's another product that you want me to try and see how long I can, how much wear time I get out of it in my hair, let me know. I'm game to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.